Hello students, welcome to the channel. In the Target 750 Plus series, we do advanced problems from math on SAT and ACT. For the last couple of videos, we have been doing miscellaneous practice sets where we do problems from different topics. This is the third such set. Question 1. Tasty Tank Soda advertises, we will give you 20% more soda than Sweet Surprise for a total price that is 10% less than Sweet Surprise's price. What is the ratio of the unit price of Tasty Tank Soda to the unit price of Sweet Surprise Soda? Okay, so the unit price would be the price per gram if we take gram as the unit. So let's say that Sweet Surprise charges X dollars for Y grams of soda, right? Or we can say Y ml of soda. So then the unit price for Sweet Surprise would be X by Y, right? Now, what about the unit price of Tasty Tank? It said that Tasty Tank gives you 20% more soda. So if Sweet Surprise gives you Y milliliters, then Tasty Tank gives you 1.2Y. And if it charges you 10% less, and if Sweet Surprise charges X, then Tasty Tank charges 0.9X, right? So what will be the unit price for Tasty Tank? 0.9X divided by 1.2Y, which is 3 by 4 times X by Y. So what is the ratio of the unit price of Tasty Tank to the unit price of Sweet Surprise? So that would be 3 by 4X by Y divided by X by Y. So that's 3 by 4. So the unit price of Tasty Tank is 3/4 of the unit price of Sweet Surprise. Okay, let's go to the next question. If the center of the circle x square plus y square plus ax plus by plus 2 is equal to 0 is 0.4 comma -8, then what is a plus b? So we know that a circle is given by x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared is r squared, where h comma k is the center and r is the radius of the circle. Now here I need to first convert my equation to the standard form. So I would write x square plus 2x into a by 2. So I wrote ax is 2x into a by 2 and I add the square of a by 2. Similarly, y square plus 2y into b by 2 because I need by, and then I'll add the square of b by 2 plus 2 is equal to, now I've added a square by 4 and b square by 4 to the left hand side, so I'll add them to the right hand side as well. Now these three terms will become x plus a by 2 the whole squared, and these three terms will become y plus b by 2 the whole squared is a squared plus b squared by 4. Now this is in the standard form, so my center will be minus a by 2 comma minus b by 2, and my radius will be square root of a squared plus b squared by 4, right? Now the center is given here, so minus a by 2 is 4, so a is -8, and minus b by 2 is -8, so b will be 16. So what is a plus b? it will be 16 minus 8, which is 8, option D. Okay, question 3. If tan x is equal to 2ab divided by a squared minus b squared, where a greater than b greater than 0 and x between 0 and 90, then what is sine x equal to? So let's say that this is x. So tan x will be opposite over base. So this is 2ab and this is a squared minus b squared. So by Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse will be the square of a squared minus b squared the whole squared plus 2ab the whole squared. So the square root of a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 minus 2a squared b squared plus 4a squared b squared. So that's the square root of a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus 2a squared b squared. And that's the same as a squared plus b squared the whole squared. So that will be simply a squared plus b squared. So the hypotenuse is a squared plus b squared. So sine x would be opposite over hypotenuse, 2ab divided by a squared plus b squared. Option D. Question 4. A man walked a certain distance at a constant rate. If he had gone half mile per hour faster, he would have walked the distance in 4/5 of the time. If he had gone half mile per hour slower, he would have been 2.5 hours longer on the road. The distance that he walked was. Okay, so let's say the distance is d, the speed is s, and the time is t. So d is s times t, right? The primary equation. Now, if he had gone half mile per hour faster, so if his speed was s dash, that is s plus 1 by 2, he would have walked the distance in 4/5 of the time. So then d would have been s plus 1 by 2 into 4 by 5 t, right? Because he would have taken 4/5 of the time. And if he had gone half mile per hour slower, that means s double dash is s minus 1 by 2, he would have been 2.5 hours longer on the road. So d can also be written as s minus half into t plus 5 by 2. 2.5 hours longer, so 5 by 2. So now we have to find t. From the first equation, we get d is 4 by 5 st plus 2 by 5t. And st we know is d. So d minus 4 by 5d is d by 5 is 2 by 5t, right? And d over t is s, which becomes 5 and 5 cancel. So that's 2. So we know that the speed is 2. Okay. And once we know the speed is 2, we can equate these two equations to find the time. So 2 plus 1 by 2, which is 5 by 2, into 4 by 5t is 2 minus 1 by 2, which is 3 by 2, into t plus 5 by 2. So 5 cancels, 2 into 2, this cancels. So let me write on the left hand side. So we get 2t is 3 by 2t plus 15 by 4. So half t is 15 by 4. This cancels. So t is 15 by 2. So t is 15 by 2 and s is 2. So the distance would be 15. Option B. Hope this exercise was useful. If it was, hit like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in a new video soon. Take care. Bye bye.